What's the meaning of bleep? Bleep. Bleep.
Bleep. Bleep. The term bleep can have a few different meanings depending on the context in which it is used. One common usage is as an onomatopoeic representation of a high-pitched electronic noise that is often heard on television or radio when obscenities or other objectionable language is censored out. In this sense, bleep is a way of indicating that something has been removed or edited for broadcast. However, bleep can also refer to a small electronic device that emits a loud noise, typically used for alerting or warning purposes. Overall, the term bleep is often associated with disruptive or attention-grabbing sounds in various contexts.